Inilah perjalanan kami jalan untuk menuju ke Batu Ancok ya. Di sini ada untuk kita refreshing. Ada air terjunnya guys. Ini juga perjalanannya ya, lumayan nih. Ini dia udah sampai lokasi. Nah, kita bakar di sini. Ini lokasinya sekitarnya lumayan guys. Ada airnya. Ya, lumayan lah ini. Bisa buat kita menghabiskan waktu lah untuk hari libur kita. Ini udah matang guys. Kali guys, juga yang sedang berenang, airnya jernih sekali, dingin, adem airnya. Ini sudah siap masakannya, minumannya udah siap untuk kita nikmati bersama rekan-rekan. Wah, ini air terjunnya guys, jernih sekali. Kalau mau kita minum bisa sih. Wah, ini kami
some Clico in a glass, have a toast to success. No looking back from here, no more being broke and distressed. I put my heart into this game like I open my chest. We only pray for more imps while you hope for the best. We make these plays, man, I'm finessing these checks. Time's up for everybody, I'm collecting old debts. And I swear this champagne just tastes better on jets. I'm just out here being great, man, this is real as it gets. I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Out in Vegas, I'm with them, ordering bottles of the Ace when they send them, till it ain't enough space up on the table to fit them. Go ahead and
raise a cup up for all my day ones. 2 middle fingers for the haters. Let's only getting greater. Straight up from nothing we go up. Higher than the highest skyscraper. No little league we major. The proof is in the paper.
you know,
We put the good in the good in the good life.
the good
The
life.
good in the good in the good
I said the
life.
good life.
Bad in the past, now we alright.
We alright.
Damn right, from the bottom we rise so high. Now we cutting skylights. We building an empire. We owe it up to each other.